Now that you've completed the sign-up process, you will automatically be taken to the Explore page where you can find teachers and the most requested subjects. Once you've browsed through our selection of highly qualified teachers and have chosen one, you'll want to book a lesson. Click on the teacher's profile and you'll see the option to book lesson. Once you have clicked on Book Lesson, you'll be taken to the Lesson Information page. Here, you'll select your session length, date, time, and subject. You'll also be able to add notes that may further help your tutor understand exactly your child's needs. Next, you'll add your student user. As a parent, we understand that it is important for you to have control over your child's access. Adding students will grant them limited access where they can view and join their upcoming tutoring sessions, but prevent them from making any changes to the account. In the future, you can either sign into your account and have your student access their session that way, or you can allow students to log themselves in via email. Once you've added your student, you'll choose the amount of funds you want to add to your digital wallet. If you have any promo codes, you can enter them at this time. Once you've selected Next, you'll be able to enter your payment information. We accept the following credit cards: Visa, MasterCard, JCB, Diners Club, Discover, and Amex, or American Express. Finally, select Purchase to complete your transaction.